If you are not getting projects on uTest, there is a high chance your profile is the problem. In this video, I'm going to show you my exact uTest profile setup that helps me get invited to projects. Most people sign up on uTest, fill a few things and expect results, but uTest doesn't work like that. Your profile is what determines whether you get invited or ignored. So instead of guessing, let me show you what actually works. First thing, your profile must be 100% complete. Not 70%, not 80%, but 100% complete. That includes personal details, testing experience, languages, payment setup. If your profile is incomplete, you're already reducing your chances. Another thing is device setup. This is one of the biggest factors. The more device you had, the more projects you qualify for. Let me show you mine.
So this is my profile and I'm trying to walk you through it all. You see how I added my personal details, devices, payment testings. Look at it. I added every bit of information to subscriptions. You need to fill your profile to the brim. Don't leave anything out. If your profile is empty, you won't get any project invites.
Don't just add devices, add them correctly. Include OS version, device model, browser versions, because some projects are very specific. If your details don't match, you won't be selected. Next is your testing preferences. This tells uTest what kind of project to send you. Make sure you select all relevant options. Don't limit yourself too much. The more flexible you are, the more invites you get. Even with a perfect profile, inactivity will kill your chances. You need to check your dashboard regularly. Respond to invites fast. Participate in available cycles. Activity tells uTest that you are serious. Once you start getting projects, your performance matters. If you submit good reports, you follow instructions properly, you will keep getting invites again and again. When I adjusted my profile like this, I started seeing a difference. More visibility, more invites, and more opportunities. And if you want everything step by step, I've already put everything into a simple ebook, from profile setup to getting your first payment. Link is in the description to download it. If this helped you, make sure you like and subscribe. And comment below, how many devices do you currently have on your uTest profile? Fix your profile first, and you will fix your chances of getting projects. I will see you in the next video.